And she come back again, I'm like a Mexican. I've been a Mexican, I'm universal. And I'm back again to fill my trap again. Like Quasimodo, ain't no frap again.
Welcome back, sweets. Yes, if you are new here to the channel, we have some new sweets who have joined the Sweets Club. Hello, we are so happy and so welcome that you have joined our family. For my sweets that's been rocking with me since the beginning, I love you guys so much and appreciate you as always. Today we are getting into part 2 of that Maëlys cosmetic video. You guys have been waiting for this and I have it ready for you. So today we're going to hop right into that. If you are new and you just slid in to get some information on this video, I would suggest you go watch this video first and then come back and watch this video. But before you do that, make sure that you subscribe at the link below and also turn on your notification bells so you know when I upload a new video. And with that, we're going to hop right into this video. Hi sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, we are back with an updated video. Thank you so much for everyone who watched my previous Maëlys cosmetics video. That video has been doing great. It seems like you guys love this content. So today I'm bringing you a part 2 to that video. I'm going to show you how I achieved my behind here. Okay, using their products along with, I can't say diet because I don't diet, but I'm going to show you step by step what I do to kind of keep and achieve the behind that you may be looking for without going to under the knife and getting a BBL. So if you are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. So I've been using these products for some time now. I'll put the date up here or down here somewhere and let you know the date that I actually started using these products until this current day that I am still using these products, and how much this has helped me kind of shape and kind of balloon, get that voluptuous butts that I have always had in like them 20s, that as you get into them 40s that you're kind of losing. And just for background, I am 44, okay? Yes, with 4 kids and 4 glam babies, okay? So I am trying to find a way to keep it right and tight, okay? Like I'm sure all of us beautiful women are. Even if you are in your 20s, honey, everybody's trying to keep it right and tight, okay, for somebody, okay? Anywho, so I'm going to show you step by step my routine of how I've been using these products. Step daily routine of what I do from the time that I get up to time that I exercise, what I do in between, what exercises that I do to kind of shape my behind. And note, you guys, I am not a fitness person or anything. This is just things that I have done in the past that has worked for me, and hopefully maybe they'll work for you. And again, having a little bit of edge with these products also kind of helps, okay? I'm looking for ways to not go up under the knife. It is not safe for us nowadays. We just need to put a little bit of work into it and we can achieve what we want. We may not get the results right away, okay? But the more you put in the work, the more that you get and gain out of it, okay? So let's hop right into how I start my day. So I get up quite early in the morning. I always like to exercise before I kind of get on work. So I may get up anywhere between like 4:30 a.m., between like 4:30 and 5:36-ish at the latest, okay? I will get up and I will start my day by getting on the elliptical, and I will do like 20 or maybe 30 minutes depending on the time frame that I have. I'll get on the elliptical and do that for 30 minutes. And put my headphones in. I'll do that for 20 or 30 minutes. Then after that, I hop right into my shower. So after my shower, I get out and I start applying my products. And remember in the previous video, I said that I apply them right after I get out of the shower. So the first thing that I'll grab is my B-Thicc. I'll grab that and I put that on, and you want to get a good amount of the product. I felt like as I've been using it, like it's like if you get just a little bit, you're not getting as much out of the product as you should. You need a good amount of that product on your hand, and I'm going to show you and demonstrate over here. So you want to get some of that product, you want to put it on your hand, you want to rub it, and then you want to apply it to the back side of your behind, and you want to rub it in, and you want to make sure that you rub that product all the way in. You don't want it to just sit there. You want to rub that product in. You want to rub it everywhere, okay? Up under the cheeks. You also want to get some of that thigh area off to the side, okay, that you want to get tight. You may have a little bit of cellulite over there, so you want to get all of that area on your behind. Then you want to go through, and like I was telling you in the previous video, like I said, I use multiple other products. So you don't want to go in with just that you don't want to go in with that previous product on your hand. You want to wash your hands in between of using these different products, because like I said in the last video, that shit burned, okay? I don't know why it burned, y'all, but for me, it burnt, okay? So I'm giving you a tip, so listen to me, okay? In between using these products, you want to go in and you want to use soap, you want to use some hot water, and have a towel ready so that you can wipe your hands all the way dry before you apply the next product. After I put on the B-Tight, next is the B-Thicc. And you want to do the same thing. You want to take a good amount of that product. You want to rub it on your hand, and you want to apply it to your backside. And again, you want to rub it everywhere. I do rub it on my on my thigh area as well. So you want to make sure that you kind of get that up under the cuff, okay? Up under the cuff, all around your buttocks area, okay? You want to make sure all the way up under the cuff, and make sure that that product is fully rubbed in. And then again, you want to start the process. If you're putting on something else, you want to go and wash your hands and then take that off. Now, I want to show you what exercises that I do. And you can either do this before you get in the shower, or you could do it after you get out of the shower. Like I said, it's dependent on the time, you guys. If I have enough time to do it right after I get off the elliptical, but I'm going to be honest with you, most of the time I don't, because hello, I still work like y'all do, okay? So I got to get my ass to work, okay? So if I don't have enough time, I will do the elliptical, wash up, apply my products. Now, in the evening, like I said, I wash twice a day, okay? So in the evening, I'll come in, either I'll exercise again on the elliptical, or if I'm just tired, I'll do these exercises. So now we're gonna go into the exercises that you can either do in the morning or in the afternoon. You choose what you want to do. So here are a few exercises to kind of help. All right, sweets, we're gonna hop right into it. So the first one we're gonna do is a squat and kind of hold. So we're going to squat in like a praying position, and then we're going to pulse 3 times, come back up, squeeze, and we're going to go right back down, hold, and going to pulse 1, 2, 3, come back up, squeeze, and we're going to do about 10 sets of these. And I'm just giving you another angle of how to get those done. It'll really have your butt on fire, y'all. Yes. Next, this is a funny one, so excuse the full moon. We're just going to go left to right and left to right. And it's just moving your foot in and out, squat, come back up, left to right, left to right. And again, we want to do 10 reps of these as well. And this is a good another squatting one, and I'm just showing you another angle. Yes. The next one we're going to do is my leg presses. I love this little ditty right here. And pretty much you're going to go up, then you're going to go out, and you're going to press for 10. And you're going to hold it, press for 10, and then you're going to repeat. And of course, this is another 10 reps of this one as well. You'll really feel that in your buttocks and them glutes down there. This is what had me hurting after this video, trying to show y'all. So I really hope you love this little move right here. It's good for the stretch too. Yes, but it's just up and out, 10 pulses. Our next little move is just some foot lifts, heel lifts. And we're just going to go up and down, up and down. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to hold and then repeat. And again, you want to do 10 reps of these as well. This is another one, good one to get that burn. Now, this is our last one. This is what I call my stripper pose, y'all, okay? You're going to go up, open your legs, and it's going to be left cheek, right cheek, left cheek, right cheek, okay? You're going to squeeze one butt cheek at a time, okay? That's what you want to do. And I was listening to body, yada, 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 yada. So that was what I was doing. But this was a good one as well. It's a great squat position for you. So let me know if these help. Now, trust me, y'all, after them exercises, because I was trying to film for you guys and stuff, my ass was hurting. It's like my butt was so damn tight for the next couple days. Now, what you don't want to do is strain your muscle and stuff, you guys. So it's like either you pick and choose, like I said, either you do it in the morning or do it at night. You don't want to do that too much because you don't want to strain your muscles down there and hurt yourself, okay? So it's like you need to read your body and figure out what your body is telling you to do, and then figure out your regimen of what's going to work for you, okay? I'm just telling you what has been working for me, okay? It's all about listen to your body, sis and bruh. So hopefully this information was helpful to you. I will also do a video on my stomach because my stomach, I love it. It's still going down. Now I still got a little bit of fufa, okay? But I can have that shit in some jeans. But I don't look like I was 6 months pregnant anymore, okay? You feel me, okay? Where my 40 plus and up club at, okay? It's a struggle keeping this shit together, okay? It's funny. because remember in the video that I was telling you guys about how these products make my buttocks feel like buttermilk, I was telling you my husband, I'm gonna insert a clip here of my husband talking about my behind. This shit was funny, so I had to include it.
Yes, baby.
You gotta tell them what you be talking about my behind.
It feels like buttermilk, baby. Feels like straight buttermilk.
Seriously?
Yeah, it feels like buttermilk, cocoa butter. Yeah, it feels nice. Smooth.
You stupid. There it is, ladies. Damn fool. Now they do, I did buy some other products, okay? So you guys, I'm working on that. I bought that B-Flex for that like turkey neck up under there, okay? And I've been using that, so we gonna see. But I don't have too much wiggle and jiggle up under there, but I still got a little bit, if you get what I'm saying. But it's like, you know, before I come to you guys, I want to make sure that shit work, okay? So if you're gonna be out spending your coin, okay, I can probably say use some coin, okay? I came and I told you guys in the last video that I bought like the face mask. I'm going to insert like a little small clip over here. I'm going to tell you from my standpoint, I don't need to do a full video on that. I mean, it's cool if you want to like, you know, nourish your face real quickly or something. But I done bought it once. I'm gonna tell you, I won't buy it again. But it's like, it's up to you, sis and bruh, okay? Like I said, I'm not gonna come on here and tell you some shit. This video ain't sponsored, okay? I bought this shit with my own coin, okay? But I'm telling you, I mean, the mask was nice. I mean, it's well constructed. You know, it has the nourishment stuff. But I don't feel it did anything different for me. So for me, that won't be a product that I would buy again. Just saying, okay? I'm keeping it real, 100, okay? So just telling you. But I did buy this B-Foxy, okay? This came out and it's supposed to be for that thigh area, okay? So I have started using and vlogging this. So we gonna see if this pretty much works. I would say the only thing I don't like about it is that you can't rub the product in. You gotta sit and wait for that shit to dry. I don't like that. But we gonna worry about it. We gonna work it out, and we gonna see if it actually works and if it's actually worth your coin. The other thing that because I had to re-up, I'm out of my B-Thicc and I'm almost out of my B-Tight. So I had to go out there last night and reorder my products, y'all, okay? But I had seen this on the site and I was like, wait a minute. I'm like, I bought that already. So this is like a booty scrub. It's like to open up your pores and stuff on there. And it's like you put this on before you get in the shower. You rub it in. And then I bought the little brush to like rub that cellulite. Good products, by the way, okay? But today was only my first day using this. So I'm kind of excited about this, so I'll come back to you guys on this if you're wondering about this little scrub right here for your buttocks. This may be one to add to your collection, so we'll come back on that. But like I said, you guys, I'm here to give y'all the tea to see if you want to spend your coin, to see if it's worth your coins, okay? So, like I said, if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe at the link below. Turn on your notification bells. If this video was helpful to you, give us some thumbs up. Share it with your papa, your sister, your mother, your brother, your friend, your cousin, whoever. If this video was relevant, go ahead and share it with people so it gets out to more people. And I'll keep bringing you this content if you're liking this content. I also do a lot of wig reviews. Now, this one you will not see. You will have to follow me on my TikTok. It's cute, but it wasn't worth bringing a whole video, okay? So if you want to see this cute little drip, just follow me on TikTok and or Instagram. I'll post it there, but I'm not doing a full video about it, okay? But until next time, my sweet, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.